Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of AI on the application of Snapchat. We go to settings. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list, you will scrolling down until you find this window here of Snapchat, and you will click in this page. Then in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.